Okay, we're working on the primary now. So you find something to lean the bike up against too. That has about 50 pounds of weight on the handlebar tips. Fine. Bike won't fall over, and it works a lot easier to take things apart this way. Look at that gusher coming out of that thing. Put the rag underneath the back of the bike there. I'm thinking the oil's not being properly vented out of the primary drive.
Nope.
You have to take that footboard off. You have to loosen this one up here, and you got to take the back one off. You might have to take the whole thing off anyway. 9/16. You touched it right there.
Yeah.
No, that's one over.
Yeah. I should have brought my glasses today.
Use the box, don't use the open end. On the bottom. Underneath. Use the box, quit using the open end.
What's that?
Use the box. Open ends aren't for torquing. Fuck, you guys don't listen to me. I don't know why not.
Oh, the box is not too big.
Which one are you using? That's because you're using the wrong one.
That pen was working.
Use the one that's cut. That's the reason why there's ground one. Does it fit?
Nope.
You're not in there. Why is it not in there?
It's too big.
What's too big? The nut or the wrench?
The nut. Or the wrench, sorry. Yep, the wrench is too big. So,
Piece of crap. Use the open on it. What are you doing?
Huh? Use the open then?
You have to, you have to. It's just not the perfect way of doing it, but
Right.
you gotta do what you gotta do. Harley didn't make it right. What am I supposed to do? You gotta put a box wrench on it. What are you making a tighter for? Here, look out. Look out.
Huh?
Move.
Okay, got it.
You're going the wrong way, but you're finally going the right way.
Crazy because the other 9/16 fit on the open end, but
There you go. Came out. Hey, guess what? It's reproduction. Probably didn't know that, did you?
oh yeah, everything. That guy just must have made a killing on this thing.
Yeah. Took all the good parts off, put all that crap
Charged
on
the
there.
guy $13,000 to restore it.
Labor?
Just in labor.
Just in labor.
I have all the receipts.
$13K in labor.
I have
Damn.
all the receipts and
You gotta raise
stole
my
all
price.
the good stuff off of it.
I'm about to triple my prices if you give me that kind of money. $13K for restoration. Damn.
Los Angeles prices.
And I'm redoing everything because it's wrong.
Over tighten these.
So usually the labor is less than what the parts are, so. I think in this case the labor might have been higher maybe. Are you trying to break my screwdriver?
Oh. Something not right in there.
That's probably too big. There's oil in there. Tool. All right, look out. Trade you.
Okay.
You got phones going out building.
Screwdriver.
So much easier the clutch worked when it was.
So,
How much less pressure was on the clutch to make it work? I'm working on it now. You already wrote it or did it. How much easier was it? You said it was easier.
way easier.
Half? Third? What?
Well, when I was writing it, it was very hard. Really hard.
So I took out less. I took out half of it.
Yes. Definitely by 50.
So now you can see how collapsed these springs are.
Hmm.
See how collapsed these springs are? And that's supposed to be like the,
Pretty much all the way in.
pretty much. Pretty much where they were at. I went a little over this, but they were already pretty well forward out. You do have the correct wet style plates in there for when there's oil in it.
Hallelujah.
Looks like you have a little 5 in there.
Hallelujah.
Yeah. Look like somebody's slipping it. Wonder who that could have been. So you don't have a ramjet in there. It's free to bounce around in there. These are Alto clutches.
Pretty good stuff.
Yeah, they're alright. These are original. Alto. Not even hitting yet. Just where I was eating on them a little bit. I like to stagger the springs here.
Right.
Really up to? Here's that.
What's that?
How many was that?
More than 5.
No, it wasn't. It's 5.
5.
More
Well, I
than
was
5.
counting the friction plates and the
They
panel
don't count.
plates.
Tight. So there's your engine
There's
breather.
10.
So he's not blowing it into the motor, so that means it's coming off the crank seal or the transmission oil. But my guess is that's motor oil.
Is that normal-ish, or it does leave a pretty big puddle under it
Yeah, it's not supposed to be doing that.
when it sits over time though.
Oh, there he's got a breather under there.
Oh, the breather's under there?
See that thing under there? That chrome thing sticking down?
Yes.
That's called a sponge.
Soaks it up and
Then picks it out. Yeah, that's it. So get rid of that piece of crap.
doesn't
Run
look
the
very
hose-
safe.
Put the hose to the back of the bike and let leak out the back instead of all over your bike.
Maybe on the side too, so where the tire doesn't go on it.
That's why you put toward the back of the bike on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, so the clutch is in here. Tension. He's got tension. Nice stud.
So what do you think it could have been, that drag?
I don't understand why these nuts are bottomed down in there like you've got them.
From some of the nuts.
You had the nuts bottomed out on the studs. See marks right here?
Too far.
Those shiny marks are where your studs, the nuts are crammed all the way down. Excuse me.
Plus.
So the springs are. You know, he's got the springs on this side.
Yeah.
I'm assuming they're new, but they're not rusty. Everything else here is new, so
Or just
I'm assuming it's some Taiwan Teddy replacement springs, I guess.
well, it's pretty much the only source for this type of stuff, unless you find new old stock.
There's other sources besides Taiwan Teddy, but it's the same.
And you got to
basic
pay an
parts.
arm and a leg.
It's the same pipe parts. So. I don't use Taiwan Teddy springs. I use different ones. I got kibble white ones, which are pricey. I got some more rare ones laying around too, but I got some import ones that are zinc plated so they don't rust. They're stock dimensions. I don't know what these things are. They are what they are. I just don't understand why they're going to be crammed all the way down to make them work. Free play?
Yes. Way more free play.
Well, basically none, but it's in there.
Better than what it was.
Yeah, you had it. It's because it wore it to 0 play. Okay. 31/32 is your low number.
Gotcha.
You only hit on 3 at a time, so. You have to find out where you're at. This one here's got tension all of them. It's fluxing quite a bit, I guess.
You basically check them individually.
31/32 is your low number, so we're going to go to like an inch. Starting point. stuff's so flexible, it
Just keeps going in.
it's got tension on all the nuts. Usually you only got 3 to have them. This
Right.
is so flexible, it flexes and does it. Okay, now you go like this and release it and see what you got to work with. You should be able to release it by hand, also not have to use a wrench to do it. Just making sure this inner plate comes in out evenly.
Got it.
Close as I can anyway.
And that much movement's enough. It's not too little.
It always seems like this is moving more than this side, but it always looks like it. Even after I move it, it still looks the same, so that means it's not. Now this one's definitely moving more than this side right now. So that means you go a little 1 notch more on that one. I might go in that direction. Get coil binds in when I do that. The side basically doesn't move anymore when I do that. So.
And that much movement's enough. That little, yeah, right?
That's all you got. No, it ain't enough. That's why it's not releasing.